In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tickets in Zoho Desk. If you're managing customer support in Zoho Desk, knowing how to efficiently assign tickets is crucial for smooth operations. Whether you're a newcomer to Zoho or just need a refresher, this guide will help ensure that your team's workflow remains seamless and efficient. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you need to navigate to the Tickets module. This is your starting point and your main dashboard where all the magic happens. If you're not already familiar with where to find this, you can typically locate it in your main navigation panel within Zoho Desk. The Tickets module is key as it holds all the customer inquiries and issues that your support team needs to address. Once you're in the Tickets module, you'll be looking to open a ticket list view. Think of this as your current landscape of support requests. There are different views, such as unassigned tickets, and these views help you organize and prioritize tasks. For this tutorial, let's work with the Unassigned Tickets List view. This view shows all tickets that haven't yet been assigned to specific team members, which makes it the perfect place to start delegating tasks. Now, when you're in the Unassigned Tickets view, you'll notice an avatar icon next to each ticket. It's small but mighty, because this icon is your gateway to assigning that ticket to the right person. When you click on the avatar icon, it will display a drop-down menu. Here's where you make your selection. From this drop-down menu, you'll see a list of agents and teams. Zoho Desk makes it easy by providing all the options you might need right at your fingertips. You may see a lot of names on the list, so to make things quicker, you can use the search bar. Simply type the name of the agent or team you want to assign the ticket to, and it'll filter through the options for you. This feature is particularly useful if you're working within a large organization and need to quickly find the right person or group. Remember, assigning the right ticket to the right person can significantly impact how quickly and effectively customer issues are resolved. This thoughtful delegation ensures that each ticket is handled by an agent or a team who is best equipped to manage that specific type of inquiry. It not only streamlines your workflow, but it also enriches the customer experience by connecting them with the most knowledgeable and appropriate support. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful and that you're feeling more confident in assigning tickets in Zoho Desk. It's all about making sure your team can work efficiently while providing exceptional service to your customers. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your support tasks.